In front of me is OnePlus Nord, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the browser that you are using, then tap on the More icon, which is 3 dots in the right upper corner, and then select History. And here click on Clear Browsing Data, and as you can see, you've got some basic and advanced options. So under basic, you will find browsing history, cookies and site data, and also card images and files. And then under advanced, you have few more, and these are saved passwords, auto-fill from data, and also site settings. Just mark those that you would like to remove. Finally, select the time range, just click on time range and pick the preferred options. I will choose all time because I would like to clear it fully, and tap on clear data. And that's it. As you can see, your history is empty right now and you can create it from scratch. So that would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.